How to find and recover deleted Facebook messages. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, can you find and recover deleted Facebook messages? In some ways, yes. If you have archived to get it out of your inbox, then it can easily be retrieved. But if you have permanently deleted it, then it cannot be recovered. Archiving means you have just hidden it from your inbox, but deleting permanently erases the chat. If you permanently deleted it, what you can do is try contacting the other person to see if they have a copy. If you've archived it, then go ahead and open your messenger. Click on the three bars at the top and then click on Archive. All your archived messages here. Long press on the message that you want to recover and then click on Archive at the bottom. This will take it back to your normal chat section. So this is how to find and recover deleted Facebook messages. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.